Hey, welcome to the channel, Deanie Golder. I'm glad you're here. So I'm going to be showing you that is a 10-gallon half horsepower pump. So we always use the Goulds pumps. We really like them a lot. They're very reliable. And this is the water line I'm hooking up. It is 160 PSI pipe. Getting ready to show you the pitless adapter. So I had to throw the old fitting, put on the new stainless steel fitting that will hook up to our new roll plastic. So the old one was actually hard pipe PVC. You don't really like hard pipe PVC unless you're going about 400 feet deep. So this pump was just shy of 100 feet deep, which isn't too bad. So they definitely had plenty of water in there, which is also pretty nice. Now in this section here, I'm going to be showing you how we use our splice kit to attach the wire that we ran that connects to the pump. So this splice kit is rated to go into water, to be submerged in there with no issues at all, as long as you get a good seal with your torch with sealing the plastic that goes over top of the wire. So it has a coating in there that it smushes out like a gel coating. So we've been using this for many years, and we have had great success with them. So you can see me using the torch there to melt it down so it melts over top of the wire. Now you can't always forget to not tape it. You got to make sure you tape it up, make sure it looks nice and clean, and you got to tape it all the way up the pipe. So that tape helps hold the wire so that the wire doesn't fall back down the well and get bunched up, and then you got a big problem on your hands. So you always got to try to do the best you can on making it nice and clean. And then we also try to tape the wire on the opposite side of the letter so that when the pump comes on and shuts off, it has less torque for the wear and tear on the wire. Now we're getting the pump, so we're going to be sliding that down the well. And then once we're done putting it down there, it's a lot easier because you got gravity to help you out. So we're going to be setting the pitless here soon. So now the pitless is going down in there. So that's the male side that you saw. And then it's the female side that it gets slid into. And then those are the wires that I'm going to be connecting to. So we can put a bug-proof cap on there. And then once we're done, you just push a little bit of excess wire back into the wellhead and it's fine. It's always nice to have a little bit of extra just to help you out for next time if you ever have an issue. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you for watching.